everyone, my name is Saiba and welcome back to my channel Clumsy Lobster. So for the longest time now, I've been getting this question of hair removal, that is whether to wax or to shave, especially during this lockdown. So what I did was I have set certain parameters and we are going to compare both waxing and shaving based on those parameters, and we are going to check that which one is better. So let's get started. The first one is what kind of tools are required for waxing and for shaving. So when we talk about waxing, there are a bunch of items that we require. So the first one obviously is the wax. Now it depends upon the kind of wax you are using, whether you are using the hard wax, the strip wax, or you are using the normal hot wax. So if you are using the hot wax, which we will be talking about today, so in that case you are going to require the hot wax, the waxing strips, some kind of heater, whether the direct wax heater or some kind of heat through either your gas stove or microwave, which I would not recommend personally, and then some talcum powder and a lot of newspapers to spread around. On the other hand, when we talk about a razor, we'll only need a razor and the shaving foam. If you do not have the shaving foam, you can easily use your body wash instead. Okay, so the second point is the process. So when you have to wax, the first process is going to be application, the application of wax after it being heated up. After you applied the wax, you have to put a strip over it and just strip it out. Secondly, when we are talking about the razor, we simply need to apply the foam and we need to slide our razor right through it and the hair are going to disappear. The third point that I have kept is the amount of pain. So when we talk about waxing, the amount of pain is like to some other extent because उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा pain होता है and I have experienced that personally. But when you are using the razor, so the pain level is almost zero because you are literally cutting the hair off your surface and that will not cause any pain. Okay, so the next parameter is the side effects of waxing and razor. Now both of them have quite a lot side effects. For example, when I talk about waxing, the side effects include burns, irritation, redness, ingrown hairs, etc. On the other hand, when we talk about the side effects of a razor, then those are comparatively less. For example, razor cuts, nicks or burns, and it can also include some ingrown hairs. The next parameter is for how long do the results last. So when I talk about waxing, the results last for good 3 to 4 weeks. But for the razor, the hair will start growing, especially in my case, within 2 to 3 days. The next parameter is the costing. So when I talk about waxing, it is a little bit more expensive as compared to a razor because one single razor can be used for a long period of time, whereas the wax, once applied, it has to be thrown away. The next parameter is the type of hair that can be removed. So both waxing as well as shaving can remove any type of hair, whether it's the hard hair or the soft hair. The next parameter is the length of hair. So when I talk about waxing, the length of hair should be between 1/4 of an inch to half an inch, whereas in case of razor, literally any length of hair can be removed easily. So the next parameter is whether or not you require professional help. So when I talk about waxing, you definitely require the professional help because it's very hard to reach certain places of your body on your own. But on the other hand, when we talk about razor, you can pretty much shave your entire body with the help of a razor. The next and the last parameter is the convenience. Now when I talk about waxing, it creates a hassle all around as you have to literally spread the newspapers, heat up the wax, apply it, the wax is going to drip here and there. But on the other hand, in case of razor, you can literally shave yourself in the shower and it is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. and I have tried to cover up all the points, and you're completely free to choose from waxing or from shaving. But if you have to ask me personally, then if I'm getting time, then I will definitely go for waxing. But there can be certain events wherein you want to be present and there were no prior plans. So in that case, I would suggest you to use a razor. Thank you so much you guys for watching the video. Bye.